It's Miss Trish. I'm just coming on to share with you what I picked up from CVS today. I know by now most of you guys have already heard about this Conair roller set being on clearance for like 75% off. I think they were regularly like $45. That rung up for $11.24 in my store. So what I did was I picked up 2 of the Nature Made Full Strength Mini Super Omegas. I printed off the $10 off CVS coupons. I printed off 2 of those, and then I also printed 2 of the $3 off coupons as well. So that totaled $26 in coupons. These are right now buy one get one free for $14.95. So that gave me about $11 in overage, which I applied to my roller set. I also got the Speed Stick Power. That was free. I had the Deal of the Day coupon, and then I had the $1 off Speed Stick. And then I picked up 2 of the Skintimate shaving gels. I had the BOGO coupon, and I did get the $2 plus up for only 1 of them. So it is a limit of 1. And then I picked up 2 bags of my favorite candies from CVS. The Nature Made coupon, it beeped, and of course they had to do the whole shebang of looking at the coupon like they were crazy, entering it in, ringing it up again. It's still beeping. She went to the manager. She did the same thing. It beeped for her. She took my coupons, went in the back, spoke to someone else, came back out and says, well, he says we can take them as long as she doesn't get any cash back. Okay, well, I didn't need any cash back, boo-boo, because I used that extra money to get my roller. So I was good. So all in all, I came out of the store paying $4 and some change. $2, which was applied on the EBT card, and then it was $2 and change cash that I slid my debit card for. So all in all, I feel like this was a pretty good haul. Small but mighty. Once again, if anybody has any questions about anything, feel free to leave me a message or a comment. Thank you very much. And to the people who have been subscribing since I've been doing these videos, I do want to say thank you. Thank you very much. You have a good day. Bye.